I've been banking with Sofi for about 4 months now, and I want to tell you my experience with Sofi just in case you're thinking about opening up a checkings and savings account with Sofi and you're wondering if this is a good decision or a bad decision. And if you don't want to hear my experience with Sofi, the short answer, I would highly recommend Sofi. I think Sofi is probably the best bank of 2023. And of course, that can change. But at the time of filming this video, I think Sofi really do offer some of the best perks a bank can offer. If you're going to open up a checkings and savings account with Sofi and you want an additional $25, use my link below and make sure that offer still stands if you're watching this at a later date. And if that wasn't enough, Sofi is also offering $50 to $250 with qualifying direct deposits. So that means you have the potential of getting an additional $275 simply by opening up a checkings and savings account with Sofi with qualifying direct deposit. But without further ado, let's talk a little bit about Sofi in my experience with Sofi. So like I said in the beginning of the video, Sofi offers a lot to their customers, such as no account fees, no minimum balance fees, no foreign transaction fees, no fees. But something I did notice is when I was transferring money to my business partner, there was a certain limit that I could transfer, and it was a very small limit. I don't think this will be an ongoing problem, but I think that's due to me not banking with Sofi for a long time. So hopefully that changed. They are also FDIC insured up to $2 million, which for a typical bank, they only go up to $250,000, which I'm not gonna lie, I don't have a problem with keeping $2 million in the bank, but maybe one day you gotta prepare, prepare for the future. And Sofi also offer points that could be redeemed for cash back or through other Sofi accounts by doing various different tasks on the app. My experience with the points were flawless. I actually got an additional 10,000 points from somebody using my credit card referral, which if you're watching this, thank you. 10,000 points can be redeemed for $100 cash, which it definitely helped me out. And if you're getting any value from this so far, if you don't mind liking the video and subscribing, I would greatly appreciate it. Sofi also has a program called Sofi Plus. Basically is a premium membership that helps you earn and save at no extra cost, but you do have to have active direct deposit. And you probably noticed by now, but direct deposit is kind of important to have if you're banking with Sofi. If you don't have direct deposit or you're self-employed or something of that nature, I actually would not recommend Sofi because you would not get all the benefits. But with Sofi Plus, you get 2x reward points for qualifying activities. You get paid up to 2 days early with no overdraft fees. And at the time of filming this video, Sofi is now offering 4.5% APY on your savings account and votes. And for me, that's major. They also offer 0.5% APY on your checkings account, which I know that doesn't sound like much compared to your savings account, but most banks don't even offer anything for leaving your money in a checkings account. Good job, Sofi. And votes are just an extension of your main savings account. It's basically like mini savings account for individual tasks or things or people that you want to save for within your main bank account. Like I said, votes also get the 4.5 APY savings. So say for example, you were saving for a child, you could then create a vote for them and they will be saving 4.5 APY within that vote. So if you're one of those people who needs to see your progress on saving towards something or saving for someone, then votes would be the perfect product for you. And while doing so, earning 4.5% APY. You also get up to 15% cash back at select local establishments when you use your Sofi debit card, and overdraft coverage up to $50 with no fees. And that's some of the things that Sofi Plus offer, but like I said, you do have to have active direct deposit. My personal experience with Sofi Plus has been amazing. Everything that Sofi Plus advertised, they follow through with it. And I'm not going to claim that I utilize all the perks within the Sofi Plus offer, but the perks that I did use, I definitely got max value for. And that's the Sofi checkings and savings account. But I do also have the Sofi credit card, and I can tell you my experience with that and some of the perks. The Sofi credit card has no annual fees, which is beautiful. It also has unlimited 2% cash back with no categories or no cap. Unlimited 3% cash back rewards with every booking through SoFi Travel using your SoFi credit card, which I don't use, but for those people who travel, there you go. Like majority of banks, you don't need to bank with them in order to get their credit card product, and SoFi is no different. You can get the credit card without banking with SoFi, so you don't necessarily need the checkings and savings account in order to get approved for SoFi's credit card. Of course, if you're trying to have higher odds of approval, I would of course recommend you bank with them, but it's not a must. Want to see if you pre-approved for the SoFi credit card? I say go for it because there's no impact to your credit score because SoFi only performs a soft pull whenever they pre-approve you for their credit card. And another cool thing they do is they show you your credit limit before you even take the offer. But if you do take the offer, at that point, they will do a hard inquiry, which then will affect your overall credit score. So make sure you keep that in mind before you actually take the offer. You also can get an extra $50 whenever you get approved for the credit card using my link below. And make sure it's not the checkings and savings link for the bank. SoFi also offer this thing called Sofi Relay /Insights, which tracks all your money with credit score monitoring, spending breakdowns, financial insights, and more at no cost. A detailed overview of all your bank accounts when you connect it to SoFi Insights, create budget plans and review your spending habits. And you can also monitor your credit score for free with weekly updates. And I think that's pretty neat that they offer that. I use SoFi Relay for many different things such as budgeting, my credit score, and just even seeing my net worth sometimes. Not that as much, but I do check it from time to time. And if you're one of those people who just like to see all your money in one place and see how you're spending and how you're sticking to your budget, I think SoFi Relay can really help you out. Through SoFi, you have access to things like SoFi Invest, personal loans, mortgages, student loans. They give you all those options and you can take those. Personally, I do not use any of those. And I mean, it depends on who you are, your financial situation, if that is a good fit for you. So that's kind of the overall breakdown of what SoFi offers through their checkings and savings account, their credit card, and their other products that they offer. Personally, if you were to ask me, and no, this is not financial advice, but I would say if you have direct deposit, SoFi is the right bank for you. But if you don't have direct deposit or you're self-employed or something of that nature, I would say SoFi probably isn't a smart choice simply because you don't have access to everything that they offer. But if you do have direct deposit, I would say SoFi is the best choice for you for 2023. And this can change. So make sure you always do your due diligence when you're looking for a bank to bank with. So with that being said, I'll see y'all on the next one.